Hola, hi fashion doll lovers. My name is Christopher y bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be taking a look at the newly released and the surprise that I was not expecting, Disney ILY Forever's basic dolls. Now, they're considered the basic dolls because they do not come with a second outfit. And I'm not mad about that, but I'm a little sad about that. But anyways, before we get into today's video, if this is your first time around these parts, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I upload new content related to dolls. Now, into today's video, shall we? So here we have the two dolls that I decided to go with. This line, I guess you can call it, has three dolls. The third one is a I Love Daisy, which I'll insert the photo here. I didn't go with the I Love Daisy because I just felt like the outfit felt very second outfit. Again, this is the first time they've done a basic line. Their like Disney storyline and even the Dress Specific at Target have always had a second outfit or a fashion pack, actually. But this is the first time they've done the basic ones at Target. And for some reason, the I Love Daisy outfit just wasn't pieces that I would style. Whenever I look at these dolls, I always look at the outfits because that's what I go for. I donate the dolls to my niece. So I went with the two outfits that made sense to me, naturally. Here we have the I Love Mickey Mouse. She's this like athletic yoga workout look, which I really, really appreciate. Here in the back of the box, you can also see the three dolls with the I Love Daisy in the middle. And yeah, I'm really excited to unbox her because again, I look at the outfit and the items as something that I can reuse with my Integrity Toys doll. So I have to really look at every detail and hope that it all makes sense. And then the other doll that I went for was Belle. Now, speechless. I just love the flair of this doll overall, actually, and everything she has going on is super, super cool. Let me get a little closer. Let me get a little further. I don't have a viewfinder, so I don't know if you're seeing what I want you to see or a good angle. But if you don't, it's perfectly fine because I'm going to go ahead and unbox them off camera. I hate, and I don't like using the word too often, but I hate unboxing like playline stuff. There's so many like nicks and crannies. Then we're going to take a look at the doll as she is. We'll take a look at her accessories, and as per always in my channel, we're going to have a little fashion show with our Integrity Toys model, which you can see in our thumbnail. So let's go ahead and unbox these girls. Our first doll, our Mickey Mouse. I Love Mickey. As you can see, she comes with a pair of red sneakers with a little Mickey drawn on the side, yellow shoelaces that are painted. We have another Mickey on the other shoe. We have the amazing Disney ILY Forever logo on the bottom with some Mickey and Mickey hands. Again, guys, as I mentioned in my I Love Stitch video, it's all about the details with ILY Forever, which is why I keep coming back, as there's a truck going by to distract us. We have the word Mickey along with a Mickey Mouse on the leggings. These are high-waisted leggings, which I don't think we see very often on dolls. So I really love that they went with that design. We have a cropped t-shirt with a little cutout on the top that says Mickey Mouse Athletic Department 1928. Wow, guys. I was going to say 1968. Can you tell I need coffee when I'm filming this video? You should probably tell that I need coffee. We have our little ILY Forever tag right here. Both items close in the back with Velcro. We have that really fancy black one here and a common one up there. One thing I did want to mention about this doll, she has a little bit of gel here. Not sure why, but straight out the box, the hair, as you know, they have those little tags to secure their head, and when you have to pop those off, I really hate them. I really would love people to stop using them. Look at that. Look at what's going on there. Anyways, she needs a little restyle in her hair, but absolutely gorgeous with these like green eyes, peachy lip, very natural. No earrings here, and I want to point that out simply because the I Love Stitch doll did not have earrings. But I just noticed that the I Love Belle doll does have earrings. So the earrings are inconsistent within this collection, which is fine. I think like with this particular look, who really goes to the gym with a bunch of jewelry? Makes perfect sense. Something else that I noticed, I did not mention at the top of this video, these dolls retail for $19.99. unlike the previous release Disney ILY Forever dolls that had the extra fashion pack, those retailed for $29.99. I'm gonna leave her in the back because she's stunning and she looks so pretty in my house while I look at her accessories. So once again, these dolls retail for $19.99. The previous dolls retailed for $29.99. So you were paying $10 extra for an extra outfit, which honestly is a great deal because when the Disney store has their like fashion packs, they cost about $14.99 or $15.99. So you're getting more of a deal when you're getting the second look within the doll. But hey, if you like the budget doll too, that's perfectly fine. But just wanted to throw some prices out there. Now, let's take a look at the accessories she came with because although she's considered a basic doll, she still came with accessories. Here we have a ring, which is literally a signature of these dolls. Now, what I find interesting about this particular ring is we've brought back the glitter motif, but the glitter is now like inside. Unlike the first release dolls where the glitter was outside, this is inside. And it's very different from the one that we just saw from the Lilo and Stitch, which had no glitter on the Mickey, just kind of on the ring. Again, if I haven't already inserted the video, I'm going to insert my review to the Lilo and Stitch one on the top corner there. So you can see what I'm saying with the rings. Because I already gave it to my niece, so I don't have it handy, but you'll see. She also brings a pair of black sunglasses, as you see here. Rather simple, nothing crazy. A shopping bag with a Mickey Mouse, the words Mickey, and 1928. I'm going to say the right year this time. And I would say that the shopping bags are what's consistent about the basic line. So none of the previous dolls from the lines that came up before ever had shopping bags. But the basic girls, I guess, love to shop. And I don't mind that. I had a very strong, like, shopping bag era, miniature shopping bag era. So love to add these to my collection. And as you could see, the design is also in the back. So it's a front and back design. ILY Forever never misses on the details. Love them for it. And here we are introducing a new color to our set. Here we have a yellow water bottle with various different Mickeys playing multiple sports. I see a soccer, I see a basketball, see him running. So it really adds to the vibe of the athletic look that we have going on with this doll. And last for the I Love Mickey Mouse, we have a backpack. And I think this is my favorite backpack from Disney ILY Forever and definitely my favorite item here. We see the number 28 here that is really consistent with the 1928 that we've seen on the bag and her shirt. It says Junior Varsity Athletic. We have the little Mickey ears on the top. A cute little red detail there. The bag does open, as do most, if not all, of ILY Forever bags. Have a little Mickey hand here, just painted. That part of the bag does not open. Our straps are plastic, and we have our ILY Forever logo there. Love it. Love, love. You know, what I love about the bag is that it is black. Although it has such a color, although it has touches of color, I apologize. It just is one of those items that can be so versatile. If I haven't already said this before, I'm a Disney adult. So I love the fact that I have a way of getting Disney fashions that my Integrity toy dolls can wear. Just excites me so much. And here we have the I Love Belle doll. She comes with a pair of red sandals that could be called gladiator sandals, honestly. We have a pair of long jeans with roses painted on them. They close with Velcro on the back, as do most of the ILY Forever clothes. We have our ILY tag right over here. Then for her blouse, we have an off-the-shoulder yellow top with balloon sleeves and roses and other flowers because, you know, we have red, we have white, we have a little blue there, you know, introducing all of the colors. And as mentioned with the I Love Mickey, this doll does have earrings. So again, the open earrings is very inconsistent, but I do think they add them to the dolls that kind of need it. You know, this look is a little bit more dressed up. It's a little bit more going out. So the earrings here, to me, make sense. Now, similar to the I Love Mickey doll, I don't know what's up with the basic dolls, but although the hair quality is amazing, her hair was great, even though it had a little bit of gel. This one has no gel in her hair with a slight little bit of twist. It just, The rooting on these might have been rushed. It's a lot of like random little strings that I was pulling out. And I believe I cut some before even filming because she had so many strands of hair that were just loose. So that is the only thing I would have said I picked up. The quality of the hair is still great, similar to the quality you're getting at the $29.99 doll. Literally everything is the same quality, but I am noticing that the rerooting here might have been rushed. I'm not really sure what to call it, but it has a lot more strands of hair falling out than I'm used to, or maybe that I've never noticed before. But here is the I Love Belle doll. Here we have our ring for the I Love Belle. It comes in yellow. We have another water bottle, but with a very different design. This one has a rose molded on the top. We have the shape of Belle's head and some roses on the bottle. Super cute. I love that the bottles are all different. Oh, and look, it says Belle there. Can you, oh, look how cute that is. Details, the smallest things. They never forget them. This doll also came with a pair of sunglasses. Something that I'm realizing, a lot of these dolls come with a pair of sunglasses. I think my niece is going to be over the amount of sunglasses I've given her. These do not fit my Integrity Toys dolls. So for that reason, I just usually pass them along to my niece when I give them the dolls. And yeah, they always have a pair of sunglasses. It's just now hitting me. Here we have her shopping bag, which is a different shape. And it says Chipped Cup Cafe with a Belle sipping on her coffee, her tea. And once again, the design can also be seen in the back of the bag. Appreciate that we never cheap out on our designs front and back here. And now the last item for the I Love Belle doll is her handbag, which has a chip from the movie. We have a gold handle here. The bag appears to be that you can open it if you want to play with it. I honestly just keep it as a prop. And then in the back we have our ILY Forever logo. So simple, cute, but to the point. I will say that the bag seems a little out of place. I don't know why, but it's cute. Not my favorite. I think that's really what I'm trying to say. It is not my favorite. So now that we've taken a look at how the dolls came and what they came with, I'm going to go ahead and dress my Integrity Toys model and give you an Integrity Toys fashion show with these looks right over here.